Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Ads and navigating to Tools and Settings, then Audience Manager. Once there, make sure the Google tag is installed site-wide so audience capture begins immediately. Create a new audience source for website audiences, give it a clear name, and set simple rules like URL contains or event equals. This gets data flowing. You want measurable lists quickly. After creating the source, confirm status shows active and data received before moving on to audience definitions. Next, you define and refine audiences by choosing list types, remarketing, custom segments, or similar audiences, depending on intent. Combine conditions like URL parameters, specific conversion events, time on site, or session count to target behavior precisely. Set membership duration to control how long users stay in the list. Shorter windows focus recent intent. Use and/or logic to broaden or narrow segments, and preview estimated size to avoid too small audiences. Once satisfied, save and tag for campaign targeting. Finally, apply your audiences to campaigns or ad groups, choosing bid adjustments or targetan bid as needed. You should monitor list size and performance metrics, and make iterative adjustments to membership duration or rule logic to improve reach and ROI. If you don't see expected conversions, use a /B tests with different segments. Troubleshooting. If lists remain empty, check that the tag fires on relevant pages, verify URL match exactness, and extend membership duration briefly to accumulate users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.